Hey guys, it's Bowser at Penny Stock Data Science. Today's video we're going to be talking a little bit about our bid scanner in our Discord server. Just wanted to give a little bit of an overview. Maybe you've seen our tweets, but you aren't sure exactly what we're about. So one of our tools in our Discord server is our what we call abnormal bid scanner. Basically, it's looking at small caps, relatively like low market cap ones. We're not looking at stuff that's like 200 million market cap. We're looking at the action on those tickers. So basically, any ticker that's hasn't really run up for the day, low market cap, we are looking at the top level bids, and we are looking to see if anything's abnormal. So you may see other bid scanners that are just alerting stuff that are big bids, like over $1 million value bid, something blah blah blah. Ours is unique that we're only looking at bids that are abnormal for the ticker. So we're looking at stuff. So EKSO, this hit 7:57 p.m. This bid here is abnormal for the ticker, so $33,000 might not be like a huge sum of money, but it's a lot for that ticker. So we're looking at stuff that's very far above the average, stuff that is abnormal for that specific ticker. So you can keep an eye on our scanner, see, is somebody bidding something that isn't being bid on usually. Maybe you're familiar with the ticker and you're waiting on something, and you can kind of see, oh, something's about to go on here, something like that. So, and you can scroll through here, but it happens relatively real time. You get the ticker, the dollar amount of the bid, the timestamp, and then the actual, price and the size. And you can scroll through here. This runs all day, like 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. We usually tweet out like the big ones that result in good trades, but there's a lot of stuff here. I keep this scanner up all day long. It's one of the key scanners I use, and this is pretty much how it works. Just bids, 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 bids. You combine this with some of our other tools like our listed scanner, and you can really see a lot of what's out there. So thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Just a reminder, we have a 7-day free trial now for our Discord server and our website. It's all part of the Patreon, so just check out the Patreon link if you're interested. Thank you again.